Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the Upper Dishrack Assembly on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new Upper Dishrack Assembly for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's upper dish rack provides support and organization for dishes to ensure proper cleaning and water circulation. If the upper dish rack is damaged, broken, or starts to rust, it can cause the dishes to become misaligned or compromise their stability during the wash cycle. Additionally, the rust can stain and damage the dishes. To begin, open the door and fully extend the middle rack. The middle rack is held in place by hooked retainers on the back of both track and mount assemblies. To remove the rack, lift up on the front first, then pull forward to release the tabs on the rack adjusters from the hooked retainers. When replacing the dish rack, the rack does not come with the accessories, so next we remove those components. To separate the adjuster cover from the housing, pry on both sides using a flat-headed screwdriver. Next, pry in the back of the adjuster positioner clip while gently pulling up to release the locking tab. Then slide the clip up while fully extending the adjuster. Pull the clip forward so that it clears the locking tab and rotate it to remove. Now press on the top of the tether adjuster strap to release the retainer from the rack. Then slide it all the way down so that the opening aligns with the locking tab and pull it forward to remove. Now pinch the two tabs on the adjuster clip towards one another while pressing forward to remove. Now repeat the same steps on the other side. Now flip the rack upside down. There are 4 clips that hold the water supply tube to the assembly. To remove the water supply tube, release 2 clips on one side by depressing 2 of the retaining tabs and pressing down to release it from the rack. Then swing the assembly down to release the other tabs and remove the water supply tube. Remove the dispenser guard clip by depressing the tab here and rotating it back to remove it from the bottom of the rack. Then remove the dish rack cup shelf by releasing the 4 clips on the back side of the shelf. Then gently rotate the clip so that the wires slide out. You might need to go clip by clip. Then, with the clips released, slide the shelf out of the rack to remove it. Using a T15 Torx bit, remove the 2 screws holding the handle to the rack, making sure to save the screws as they are sold separately. If you need to purchase new upper dish rack assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the front part of the handle to the rack so that the wires align in these grooves. Then align the back of the handle to the front and install the 2 screws. Align the clips on the dish rack cup shelf to the rack so that the wires slide into this slot. Rotate the clips up so that the wires slide into place and that the clips are secured into place. Insert the dispenser guard clip through the wire rack so that it sits in this groove and this notch is behind this wire. Then secure the clip in place and press the clip around the wire. Align the water supply feed tube to the back of the upper dish rack assembly and insert the clips through the rack wires. Then press down on the clips to secure them in place. Align the new dish rack adjuster to the back of the middle rack so that the locking tab sits in the last wired row. Then align the adjuster clip to the hole closest to the horizontal bar on the rack and press until it snaps back into place. Next, align the hole on the tether adjuster strap to the tab on the adjuster, press to insert, and slide the clip up. Then align the retainer on the clip to the rack and press until it snaps into place. To install the adjuster positioner clip, insert it at an angle and rotate it so that the bars seat between these tabs. Press down on the clip until it snaps back into place. Now, raise the adjuster to the maximum height. Insert the adjuster housing at an angle so that the locking tabs seat on the outside of the rack. While supporting the housing, insert the cover at an angle and press to align the locking tabs. Then press firmly on the bottom of the cover to snap it into place. Now repeat the same steps on the other side. Now fully extend both track assembly arms. To install the rack, insert the back while aligning the tabs on the rack adjusters to the hooked retainers on the track assemblies. Then rotate the front into place, being sure that the tabs seat in the retainers. Finally, slide the rack back and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.